Welcome to today's video. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to download, install, and set up BT Tunnel VPN, a powerful application that ensures fast, secure, and unlimited browsing. If you're looking for a reliable VPN with multiple protocols and flexible settings, this step-by-step guide is just for you. Let's get started. First, open any browser such as Chrome and in the search bar type UDP Custom Website. Press Enter, and from the results, tap on the official UDP Custom site. Once you land on the homepage, tap on the menu icon. From the list of menus, select Free VPN to continue. On the VPN page, you'll see a list of options. Look for BT Tunnel and tap to download it. Once you've tapped Install, the app will begin downloading. It may take a few minutes depending on your internet speed, so be patient. After installation, you'll see an Open button. Tap on it to launch the VPN. When BT Tunnel VPN opens for the first time, you may be asked to allow notifications. You can allow or cancel depending on your preference. Once inside the home screen, ensure your data connection is on, as servers need to load and update. The app may restart briefly while servers are being refreshed, so just wait a few seconds. Now let's explore the features. The app has two main sections, one for selecting servers and another for choosing protocols. To select a server, tap on the server section and choose from the available locations. You can switch servers anytime. Next, tap on the Tweaks button to see a list of built-in protocols. Scroll through and choose the one that works best for you. If you prefer custom settings, tap on the Custom Settings option in the top corner and select from protocols like Slow DNS, V2Ray, SSL, or others. Once you've chosen your server and protocol, return to the home screen. You'll see a large Start button. Tap on it, and within seconds, your VPN connection will be established. Additionally, if you'd like to share the VPN with other devices or a computer, simply tap on the side menu, select Tethering, and turn it on. That's it. BT Tunnel VPN is now ready to secure your browsing, protect your privacy, and give you unlimited access across the internet. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. Stay secure, and see you in the next video.